Está llevándose el coche ahora mismo.
Dana arrives in the region of Murcia with the flooding in Puerto de Mazarrón. Dana arrives in Murcia, which this afternoon has activated the Special Civil Protection Plan against floods in the coastal cities of Águilas, Mazarrón and Cartagena in the face of heavy rains.
Exagerado.
This was conveyed by the regional president, Fernando, in his statement. Likewise, the Regional Government of Murcia has issued a statement via social networks informing about the massive mobile alert that they have sent this afternoon to everyone who was in Mazarrón and Puerto de Mazarrón of heavy rain. Afterwards, they asked for maximum caution and not to circulate around the Rambla de las Moreras and Camposol Urbanization.
Como siempre, Fran.
Several internet users on social networks have shared terrible images of how several areas of these cities are already flooded and the first floods are already occurring.